Welcome back. Sporting Clube de Goa were held to a 1-all draw by Shillong Lajong in the I-League on Saturday evening at Fatorda. The Flaming Orange are languishing at the bottom of the table at the halfway stage in the 2014-15 I-League campaign. Shillong Lajong are one place above Sporting, but they have one game in hand over their rivals.
This is what they are waiting for, because I met those players yesterday or day before yesterday at the Sporting Club de Ground in Don Bosco, but their morale is very, very high to win this today's game.
In the first minute, and after that this lovely pass from Odafa.
A goal from Odafa and a good strike from Anthony Wolf. This is the result in the first goal.
And could soon be in business again. This is Odafa though, his teammate, looking to set up a possible chance for Anthony Wolf, who is hovering around the D. This ball has been slipped through, the flag has stayed up. He has rounded off the keeper, looking to cut it back, but there's some good alert defending. Running with a lot of confidence, goes straight for goal.
In a Sporting Club de Goa, Mahmood. I was saying, third time it will be very difficult for Sporting Club de Goa. Even if you can see Lorenzo, Joyner Lorenzo should have controlled him and given him no chance. But
the New Zealander who was coach of Shillong Lajong and also was in the reckoning for the national job before it went to Stephen Constantine. Now they're close to finding his first goal of this Hero I-League.
The first try from him. A good try from him, really a good try, good shot. When you bring a child to the field, at least he'll know how to kick the ball.
Oh, this is a chance opening up for Sporting, but what a save!
Yes, for sure, Debayan. It's over. The game is over, and the position stayed as it is.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.